Who's up for a little history lesson?
Oh, careful, Bubba.
And that's it, right?
Yup.
I can go get some food.
Hey.
It's raining.
My first time free. Excited, but I only have like 45 minutes to hang out. I think they close at 9 maybe? I don't know.
Time to play.
This is just how the game is played.
Oh my God, it looks so good.
I'm going for it.
Let's do this.
Good morning.
Oh, thank you.
I love you, Pi. That's where we're at. It's absolutely beautiful. I've been peering into the mountains for the past 2 hours.
This place is beautiful. Again, the food was very good.
This is our last night in Pi. How'd you like it, Asha?
Good.
Yeah?
Let's cross the street.
Okay, let's cross the street. We love you, Pi.